Psalm chapter 95, a call to worship and obedience. Verse 1, O come, let us sing to the Lord. Let us shout joyfully to the rock of our salvation. Verse 2, let us come before His presence with thanksgiving. Let us shout joyfully to Him with songs. Verse 3, for the Lord is the great God, and the great King above all gods. For in His hand are the deep places of the earth. The heights of the hills are His house. The sea is His, for He made it, and His hand formed the dry land. Verse 6, O come, let us worship and bow down. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. Verse 7, for He is our God, and we are the people of His pasture, in the sheep of His hand. Today, if you will hear His voice, verse 8, do not harden your heart, as in the rebellion, as in the day of trial, in the wilderness. Verse 9, when your fathers tested me, they tried me, though they saw my work. Verse 10, for 40 years I was grieved with that generation, and said, it's a people who go astray in their hearts, and they do not know my ways. 11, so I swear in my wrath, they shall not enter my rest. Amen.